Today's medical-centric topic is, what is balding and how can you treat it? Balding is a common condition that affects many people, particularly men, as they age. It's a gradual process that can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormones, and certain medical conditions. In this article, we'll explore what balding is, what causes it, and how it can be treated. What is balding? Balding, or hair loss, is a condition in which hair begins to thin and fall out from the scalp. It can occur in both men and women, but is more common in men. The hair loss can be gradual or sudden and can occur in patches or throughout the scalp. Balding can affect self-esteem and confidence, particularly in those who experience it at a young age. What causes balding? There are several causes of balding, including genetics, hormonal imbalances, and certain medical conditions. Male pattern baldness is the most common cause of baldness, affecting up to 70% of men and 40% of women. It is believed to be caused by genetics and the hormone dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which causes hair follicles to shrink and eventually stop producing hair. Other causes of balding include stress, nutrient deficiencies, autoimmune disorders, and certain medications. How can balding be treated? There are several treatments available for balding, including medication, hair transplant surgery, and lifestyle changes. Medications like finasteride and minoxidil are often used to treat male pattern baldness. These medications work by blocking DHT or stimulating hair growth. Hair transplant surgery involves removing hair follicles from areas of the scalp where hair is still growing and transplanting them to areas that are balding. And reducing stress can also help improve hair growth and prevent further balding. In addition to these treatments, there are also natural remedies that can help promote hair growth and reduce balding. These include 1. Scalp massage. Massaging the scalp can help improve blood flow and stimulate hair growth. 2. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as rosemary and peppermint, have been shown to promote hair growth and reduce balding. 3. Nutrient-rich diet. Eating a diet rich in nutrients like protein, iron, and zinc can help promote healthy hair growth. 4. Stress reduction. Stress can cause hormonal imbalances that contribute to balding, so reducing stress through practices like meditation or yoga can help improve hair growth. 5. Topical treatments. Topical treatments like onion juice and aloe vera gel have been shown to promote hair growth and reduce balding. In conclusion, balding is a common condition that can be caused by a variety of factors. While it can be a source of stress and anxiety, there are several treatments available to help slow or even reverse the process. From medications to natural remedies, there are many options for those looking to treat their balding. If you're experiencing hair loss, it's important to talk to your doctor or a dermatologist to determine the underlying cause and develop a treatment plan that works for you.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.